Alright guys, so Boxycharm has announced the date that the skincare, the limited edition skincare box will be available. We're still waiting on the time, so make sure your bell is on. That way you can keep up and I'll keep you updated. And as soon as they put out the time that it's going to be up, I will let you know. First of all, we know the box is going to be $49.99. There's going to be 8 items worth over $250 and you pre-order. Okay, well first, you know that the annual subscribers, they get early access for the box. So they are going to be able to pre-order the box on Tuesday, and that is on April the 23rd. For the rest of the charmers, you will be able to get this box Wednesday on April the 24th. And again, you got to keep your bell on so I keep you updated of the time they will be putting that out on their Boxycharm Live on their Instagram. Okay, so we do have 2 new items that's going to be in it, but first I'm going to show you, just go through what we already got in the box. The first thing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Jelly Sheet Mask, and you will be getting a set of 2 of these. The second thing is the Glam Glow Super Serum, the 6 Acid Refining Treatment. That is worth $65. Then we have the Cotour Coconut Cleansing Oil, which is valued at $32. And then we have the Saturday Skin, the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel, that is worth $28. Now the 2 new items that they have put out, and I will also show you at the end the other 2 hints for the last 2 products that are left unrevealed. I will put those 2 hints at the end. I done this in my last video, and of course I'll show you what hint goes with which product and why I put it up there. Okay, the first one is the Cosmetics Jade Roller. Now I think this is worth $35. I might have to double check that and I'll put it up on the screen for you, but that is going to be one of the items. Now I have seen a Rose Quartz Crystal Facial Roller that was in the box that I seen, so I don't know if that's a variant or if they changed it over and now it's the Jade Roller. And the second thing is the Elemis Superfood Night Cream, and this is valued at $55. Now Boxycharm says that it is best to massage with your night cream and then massage with the roller after applying the night cream, and that will give you the best results out of this. So I think that's a really cool idea, and I can't wait to show you the other 2 items that are going to be in there, because I think they're saving the best one for the last, and which in my opinion, that is the best item in the box. But anyways, guys, make sure your bell is on. Make sure you hit the like button. That shows YouTube that you're enjoying my videos. And also make sure you subscribe and join my Glow Tart family. I'm always putting out spoilers, and I do other videos showing tutorials and reviews and all that fun stuff. So guys, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.